Today I'm going to show you a trick to help your cucumber plant grow better and produce bigger, tastier fruits. The trick is to pinch off the tip of the plant, just like we do with watermelons and other similar plants. We leave about 4 or 5 leaves, and from that point we pinch the tip. From there, lateral branches will grow, and those are the ones that will produce the best and largest cucumbers. We cut right there. Later I'll show you how the plant develops from the sides, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. You'll see it's amazing. On the other cucumber plant we'll do exactly the same. Leave 4 or 5 leaves and cut the tip. On this one growing to the side, we do the same. This way we'll get a much better yield from our plant. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.